To get started with the Xoom app, first download and install it on your mobile device from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing your name, email address, and password. You will also need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Xoom. After verifying your email address, log into your account and navigate to the Send Money section. Here, you will need to enter the recipient's name, country, and amount you want to send. You can choose from various payment options such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Next, review the exchange rate and fees associated with the transaction. Xoom offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, but it is essential to review them before completing the transaction. You can also choose to pay with a credit or debit card, or link your bank account for payment. To add a recipient, click on the Add Recipient button and enter their details, including name, address, and bank account information. You can also add multiple recipients and save their information for future transactions. To send money, review the transaction details, including the amount, exchange rate, and fees. Then, confirm the transaction and wait for the recipient to receive the funds. You can track the status of the transaction in the app, and Xoom will also send you updates via email. In addition to sending money, the Xoom app also offers other features, such as bill pay and mobile reloads. You can use the app to pay bills or reload mobile phones in other countries, making it a convenient option for managing your international financial transactions. To ensure safe and secure transactions, Xoom uses advanced encryption and security measures to protect your personal and financial information. The app also offers 24/7 customer support, so you can get help whenever you need it. By following these steps, you can easily use the Xoom app to send money, pay bills, and reload mobile phones internationally. With its user-friendly interface, competitive exchange rates, and low fees, Xoom is a reliable and convenient option for managing your international financial transactions.